from DoneRight Management. We're going to do a quick video tutorial on using the fireplaces at Wooley Heights. And so we're downstairs in the little apartment section, and I'm just going to make sure that you guys are aware. This right here is for the flue, and that needs to be all the way in as it is in order for the flue to actually be open. So when you grab it and you pull it open, I bring it back to you, it actually closes. And so when you push it forward, it's open, and you can kind of control how much that actually allows the heat to travel up. Now, when you get this thing going, you have these knobs right here that actually do turn, and that actually allows you to control the amount of air that flows into the unit. And so you actually have vents and heat that actually comes back through here. So you want to play with this a bit. So you want to make certain that you actually don't close it all the way, but you need to have at least some of it open, just allows you to have the air flow in. And the more you have it open, the greater volume of air that goes in, and the hotter and faster your fire will burn. So have fun playing with it. Make sure that you're careful not to have any of the ambers pop out. If you have any questions utilizing this fireplace down here, you can reach out to us. It's 634-0030. Cheers.